Hello students, today we will see article writing. Article writing is one of the compositions introduced for students to develop their writing skill. So pay attention to this video so that you can learn how you can write article for newspaper or magazine. Now, before we go in detail, that is the format of article writing, just let us see these lines. Suppose you have some opinions regarding a topic and you want to tell people about it. How will you do so? You can tell the opinions to persons near you. But what if you want to tell not only those people, but say the whole world? How will you do so? You will write those opinions. Many a time you have seen some writers or people write their problems and suggestions in some newspapers, magazines, and journals or in their blogs. They are writing their opinions and beliefs in the form of an article. In this section, we will get ourselves familiar with article writing and the article writing format. Now, what is an article? An article is a piece of writing written for a large audience. The main motive behind writing an article is that it should be published in either newspapers or magazines or journals so as to make some difference to the world. It may be the topics of interest of the writer or it may be related to some current issues. The topic can either be serious or not so serious. Same goes for its tone and language. What is an article? An article is a written work published in a print, electronic media. It may be for the purpose of propagating news, researching results, academic analysis, or debate. Generally, it is a piece of writing that is published in a newspaper or magazine. Now, let us have a glance on objectives of article writing. An article is written with the following objectives. Article brings out the topics or the matter of interest in the limelight. The article provides information on the topics. It offers suggestions and pieces of advice. It influences the readers and urges them to think. The article discusses various stories, persons, locations, rising issues, and technical developments. The format of article writing. An article must be organized in a proper way so as to draw the attention of the readers. The basic outline for an article writing format is: first, student or person will write heading, that is title. Next is a line having writer's name. First, the heading or title related to the topic written in the article. So, heading should be appropriate to the topic of article writing. Then, the one who is writing article, his or her name, that is the writer's name, should be written here. Third is body. That is the main part of the article, maybe of 2, 3 or 4 paragraphs. Body, here it is written 2 or 3 paragraphs. Then conclusion. Ending paragraph of the article with the opinion or recommendation, anticipation or an appeal. Here you are given what are the different ingredients of writing an article. First, as we have already seen, title of the article. Then the next is writer's name. You must have seen in the newspaper, my dear students, that title is given as heading and writer name is given sometime this side also. That is the right side of this slide. Sometime it is written exactly under the heading also, writer's name. Then body, main part of the article. First includes this part, include body, includes paragraphs. First is introductory paragraph, then descriptive paragraph, then additional information if needed, and concluding, that is ending part of the article. Now once again you are given here detailed explanation about article writing format. When a student has to attempt a question on article writing, he has to follow the article writing format. Here you can see how to write article writing formats in detail. The format of an article consists as of the following parts. First one is heading, then byline. Byline means here the writer's name, and then body. Now heading. Now it is given in detail. Heading. The heading should be catchy and in not more than 5-6 words. Your heading or title should be brief and effective, catchy. It should not be too long. You can go as creative as you want with this one. Just make sure you don't devote too much time on it in the exam. Then, after heading, you are told to write one line, that is byline. Byline means who is writing, that is the writer's name. This part refers to the name of the person writing the article. It is generally given in the question itself that you are so and so writing an article on this topic. If the name is given, you will write that name only. If not given, then do not write your personal details, but you will write fake name. Note, you are not supposed to mention any of your personal details while attempting this answer in the examination. You are not supposed to disclose your identity. So if you want to write, if in the question it is not given the name who is writing this article, then if you want to write, then you can write down fake name, not your real identity. Then body. This third part, body, it is the main part of your writing piece. It generally consists of 3 to 4 paragraphs. Now what you will find or write in paragraph 1. It is always prescribed that you begin with a short introduction of the topic. Its meaning to be precise. Briefly tell what the article is about, giving some quotations or startling facts to arouse the interest of the readers. Second paragraph or paragraph 2 and 3 includes what? Now in this part can be written in either 1 or 2 paragraphs. You are required to do a complete analysis of the subject matter in question, whatever topic you are given for article writing. So it may include. Now, your article topic or subject may include these types. In how many forms does the problem exist? Suppose you are given topic of one of the problems, that is the burning problem. Then, in how many forms does the problem exist? You have to write. You are required to mention the various possible types if it really exists. Then, current scenario. Then you need to explain the current situation, the problem, if any, and whether after any corrective action, betterment in the situation has been observed or not. Then it may include advantages or disadvantages depending upon the topic in the question. Then cause and effect relationship. Develop the cause and effect relationship by supporting it with facts or data. You may also write the consequences. Any other relevant and related information, if it is there, you can write. Paragraph 3 or paragraph 4, that is the conclusion. It is the concluding paragraph. It is important to conclude what you have started. Never leave an article open ended. Now, it is to be remembered that wherever you elaborate a problem, you always have to mention the steps being taken to improvise the situation and suggest a few solutions as well. Predictions and personal problems may be included. This paragraph needs to be short and precise. Here also you could add some glitter to your art piece with some quotes. Now here you are given steps for article writing format. First one, think of the topic you want to write the article about. Only after you have decided your topic you can go ahead and undertake the further steps in the process one by one. My dear students, here these steps in exam, though you will be given particular topic to write an article about. But suppose you are writing article not for only exam point of view, but for newspaper, then first of all you have to think on the topic. Then only you have to undertake the further steps in the process one by one. Target audience. First of all, you have to identify the concerning reading group. You are writing for only magazine or for newspaper. So you have to think of audience also, and accordingly you have to write article. Purpose. Find the objective or aim of writing the article. Collect and select. Gather such information as possible. Also identify the details that are most significant. Then organize. Arrange the information and the facts in the logical way. Once you have taken care of all the above steps, you move forward to the final step, that is writing. While writing an article, always use proper grammar, spelling, proper punctuations. Use vocabulary skill. Keep the introduction of the topic catchy, interesting, and short. Discuss the opinion and the matter in an organized and descriptive manner. Now here you will come to know about points to keep in mind for the article writing format. The topic of the article should be unique and relevant. The article has to get attention. Whatever you write in article writing, it should get attention of the readers. It has to be interesting. It has to be easy to read. The reader is identified. That's why name should be also written before you start writing article. Find the main goal of writing an article. The goal can be anything from providing information, entertainment, and advice, or for comparing, etc. The title must be eye-catching, clear and interesting, and even brief. The introduction of the starting paragraph must be highly attentive. Use your vocabulary skills and try to use some interrogative words for the start. Use clear statements and make assertions. Avoid repetition and over the top logic and reasons. Use the style of paragraph writing and write the contents uniquely and unambiguously. Avoid using the points which interest you only and not for general public. Write a good and logical ending. Here once again you are given the format of an article. First heading, that is the title or headline, will come. It should be catchy, brief and effective. Then byline means here you will write heading and then written by so and so person. Name of the writer should be written here. Then body will start from left margin and paragraph 1, then paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. This is the format of an article. Remember, students, here you are given total different samples of article writing. This is the first one: grow more trees to reduce pollution. Write an article in 150 to 200 words on the topic given above for your school magazine. You are Kishore or Kishori. As you have learned that first, before you start article, first thing is title or headline. That is, here it is given grow more trees to reduce pollution, and here you are given the name Kishore or Kishori. Here it is written both. If you want to write Kishore, you can write Kishore. If it is Kishori, then you can write the same, but write only one name here. And here you are given the answer also, how article can be written. So my dear students, go through, learn. This is second topic you are given. Topic is different. It is about festivals of India. Answer is also given, how article is written on this topic. So read and learn. This is also third topic. Topic you are given for this third one: sports should be an important part of school's daily routine. So here also answer you are given. Fourth sample: save water, are we doing enough? You are given the article writing topic, this one. So here also you are given answer. Read and just try to know how article writing can be done. This is fifth topic. Go through, my dear students. So I have given total 5 different topics for article writing with solution. Now as far as your English composition assignment is concerned, to be written in your English composition notebook, uh, in index you will write down article writing. date you will write when this video is uploaded, and the topic for the article writing, it is written here. Copy, my dear students. And the same topic, this one which you are given for writing in your English composition notebook, it is already written and showed you on slide number 18. This is slide number 23, my dear students. So answer of this topic for article writing is already given on slide number 18. So my dear students, complete the English composition assignment, that is article writing, on this topic. So when you write article, first copy this question and then write down the answer which I have given you on slide number 18. That is the first sample. You can make some changes also. If you want to add, you can add also, my dear students. I hope, my dear students, now this topic article writing is very clear, and I hope you can attempt this question very nicely. Thank you, my dear students.